Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to clean a stained floor. So jumping right into the video, boil your water about 2 cups full and put 1 cup of OxiClean in a bowl or a container. Add the water once it is all boiled and mix everything up and grab a sponge. Once everything is mixed, begin in the back of your bathroom and work your way to the front by scrubbing by hand with the OxiClean mixture. Make sure to wear gloves and wait for everything to dry before using water to rinse it off. So just an FYI, the camera in certain parts of the bathroom make the floor look worse than it actually really is. So the floor is actually 2 different colors. It's more white towards the shower and in some places in front of the door. And then the remaining areas is kind of like a yellowish gray color. And also before rinsing each time, make sure that it does dry and also wear gloves. I forgot this part and it made my hands really dry and dull feeling, and I had to use a lot of lotion to make my hands softer. Alright, so next week, get ready for a bonus trailer for September's content and also a new video on Friday. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope everyone has a great week. Bye!